For centuries, accuracy has become more and more important to human life. Infrastructure, objects, clothes, any creation known to mankind, requires this. But did you know, there is no such thing as a straight line? Understand, everything in our entire existence on Earth binds us and objects together, relating to gravity and also the Earth's atmosphere, and with that, what many don't know, the universe is actually expanding. This is because scientists have observed the expansion of the universe, by tracking how distant galaxies are moving away from each other. So despite the universe is expanding, planet Earth helps us keep everything living on the Earth more intact than you can imagine. That is why, if you may hear the saying, if you go into space, you look much taller than you would on Earth. What you do know, is many things we see look level-sized on, even though, if you divert to the size of atoms, there are sometimes signs of irregularities in all structures. The next time you ever see a straight line, zoom in close enough to anything and you'll spot irregularities. Even a laser light beam is slightly curved.